Hello, today is September 15 and 2 days ago I ate some strawberry blossom. Am I in the picture?
Yeah.
And this is already old. Still smells good. It's not so fresh, but I plucked a piece of petal from this rose. It's already dying, but there's more little tiny roses coming out. And I'm gonna try this one. They said the petals are also edible and they put it in tea. So let's see. My first time, I'm a little bit scared, honestly. I'm gonna do it. I think I have bubbles on the side of my. It's bitter. But it tastes good. It tastes like a rose, a bitter rose. But then after a while it gets sweet. Then it tastes fruity. It tastes fruity and it tastes like the one in the tea. It tastes good. It tastes like a tea.